How to check debit card is international or not. To check whether your debit card is international, you can follow these steps. Check if your debit card has logos like Visa, Mastercard, Maestro, Cirrus, or Union Pay. These networks typically support international transactions. Log into your bank's website or mobile app. Look for option debit card or manage card or similar option. Some apps have an option to enable or disable international transactions. Contact your bank's customer service. Ask them if your debit card is enabled for international transactions. Make a small purchase on an international website, example, Amazon in a different country. If the transaction goes through, your card supports international use. Look at the back of your card for international ATM network logos, like Cirrus or Plus. This indicates the card can be used at international ATMs. If your card supports international use, you might need to explicitly enable this feature. You can do this through your bank's app, website, or by contacting customer support. Thanks for watching.